Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add 1095C TaxAct. At first, go through any web browser and search for TaxAct. Next, log into your TaxAct account. From the dashboard, click on My Account. Next, from here, select Deduction and Credits. Next, scroll down to the Medical section. Here you will see Health Insurance Marketplace. Click on that. Next, tap on Continue. From here, tap on Open at the right side of 1095A. This will take you to the Form section. Tap on Continue. Now you're done. That's how you can add 1095C TaxAct. Form 1095C in TaxAct is a tax form that shows the health insurance your employer offered you during the year. You usually enter the information from this form in TaxAct to report your health coverage when filing your taxes. It helps confirm whether you had employer-provided health insurance. Thank you for watching.